Hey guys, in this video we are going to be reviewing the Dacom Sport Stereo Bluetooth Sport earphones. So I'd like to say a big thank you to TopBrandBox for sending me this product, and I'll leave a link in the description below where you can check out their Amazon page and you can buy the product itself. So the box is basically a really nice cardboard box. It has a couple of stickers on the bottom. Talk about the product name, which I'll go through. So it says Bluetooth headset, order number G02, Bluetooth version 4.1, which is really good. Company name, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. You could try if you want to amuse yourself. It's made in China here, and then it says about selling and trading. So from the sides, it's all the same, and it's a nice cardboard finish, and it has these two holes here, which you just get your two fingers, pull them out, and here's the product itself. So the earphones themselves are in a nice protective plastic covering, which has good protection, and in the rest of the box we get all of this. So first of all, you'll get this wire, which is a micro USB to USB. So as you can see on the box here, it has a little flap here which you plug it into to be able to charge your earphones, and they do have a really good charge, and I think mine was about 4 hours charge time. Here are the earpieces that go in your ear, and these go around the product and these go on the product, so these are the earbuds. There are two sets on here. This is small, this is medium, and the large is already on the product itself. And it's the same with the earbuds, just in case you have different ear sizes, as I know not everyone is the same. So here is the instructions, and all I can read on the front is Lancer 2. So if we go inside, hopefully there is some English instructions, and you'll find that there is. So inside it says about the product description. So talk time is 8 hours, play time is 8 hours, and standby time is 180 hours. However, my play time of music was about 6 hours, and it did take a while to charge, but it didn't take as long as my earphones, which is good. So here it says a couple of notes that you might need for the product. Here it says some features. So it says how to power it on, which is you just hold it on and off button for 1 second until the light goes green. Here's all that answering and calls, rejecting call, redialing the last number, play, previous, next, and then the volume buttons. At the bottom it says a bit about recycling, anything else, after service, and here it says more features about pairing of your Bluetooth device, and some more features over here. So here we have a diagram. So it shows you the indicator light, the multifunction button, the charging socket, the earbuds here, the earphone, I think this is Cracker, I'm not sure, I think that's how you pronounce it. And then here it shows you the diagram of the other one. So then the right ear, and that has the multifunction button. So enough on the instructions, we'll move over to the actual earphones themselves. The earphones are in here, so all you do is pull them out. So if we go with the earphones themselves, they say Dacom on the side here, if you can see that, and at the top it says NFC. So we see the earbuds here, and I call these ear hooks. I don't know what it said in the instructions, I can't pronounce that. So these basically stop them from falling out your ears, and they do work, as I've been on a couple of runs with them. So, and they didn't fall out my ear often, and they were really good, and they stayed in my ear, which is what I look for in earphones as well, as really good sound, which they did have, and it did have a really good bass. So these are angled, so that this is like pointing forward in the ear. As you can see, this is the left one, and it has an L here. So the wire itself is about 45 centimeters long, I think, and is really durable, and it can just hang around the front or the back of your neck, whichever you prefer. So on the right side is where the magic happens, basically. So it says Dacom on the side here, and here is the multi-function button. So hold it once for 1 second, it turns itself on. Well known power buttons here, which I don't know whether you can see. Just the power button, so you hold it for 1 second and it turns on once you've charged it. So here's the port that you have, which you can open, and then you put your cable in it, and that is how you charge it. So the multifunction button, it can get quite complicated, but it does with all other earphones. So there is lots of things with redialing calls. But the most important part I think about these is the quality of music that there is. It has a really good quality of music, and it has a really good playback time, as I found that it was the same as the charge time. So however long you charge it for, that's how long the music plays for, which I think is really good. So I'd like to say a big thank you to TopBrandBox for sending me this product, and I hope you've enjoyed this review. I would really recommend these, as they do have a nice design, will look good, and have a really good sound and stay in your ears, which is all the perfect things that I look for in the headphones. So I'd like to say a big thank you to them, and I'll leave a link in the description below where you can go buy it. And the only thing I didn't mention was this cloth. So, well, to be honest, I don't really know why they put a cloth with earphones. I think it's to do with this shiny bit, this shiny plastic finish that they have, so it doesn't show many fingerprints, and it could be to wipe their ear hooks and earbuds. So thank you for watching, I'll see you in my next review.